Hey guys, what's up? Happy Easter! So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this origami baby chick head. And yeah, isn't it cute? It's got a nice beak here. And what's really cool about it is that you can actually open it up like this. This is its mouth, and you can feed them whatever you want. So you can open its mouth like this, and then you can put something in there like that. And it looks like he ate it. And yeah, how awesome is that? Alright, wanna learn it? Here goes. So for this model, I used a 3-inch square of kami, but for this tutorial, just to make it easier to follow, I'm going to use a 6-inch square. So let's begin with the white side up and fold in half. This is really simple too. Okay, and now we're going to divide this into thirds. So this is the hardest step of the whole model. What we're going to do is we're going to fold it so this is equal to this, and just estimate it. And then now once you're happy with that, you can fold this part behind and just fiddle with the folds until you're happy with it. Just nudge them back and forth. And there, I'm happy with it. So once you did, pinch, like that. Okay, now place it on the desk like this, and take this point and fold it to this crease mark. Like that, and I guess you can unfold that for now. And let's erase this crease mark and fold this corner to this crease. Okay, now take this flap and we're going to insert it into this flap. It doesn't really matter which one. Just stick one inside the other. And like this. This is the back side of the chick head, by the way. Alright, and we're actually almost done. Let's turn over. And we're going to fold this up in between these 2 points. This is going to be the beak, or the mouth, that we're going to insert things inside to feed it. Okay. And unfold just this flap. And, oops. Oh, it's already almost starting to look like a bird now. Okay. And now we're going to do is we're going to rabbit ear these 2 raw flaps. So fold this edge to here. And unfold and repeat. Fold this edge to here. Unfold and rabbit ear it. And don't fold it like this or like this, just let it stick up like that. And repeat with this flap. Okay, like that. And the beak is done. And now it's just all about rounding the head. So, actually, if you just want a square chick head, which I think looks kind of ugly in my opinion, I don't really like it, then I guess you're done. You can go and draw your eyes on. I'm going to draw them on right here. But obviously, chick heads are round, and I'm sure you want to round it, so I'm pretty sure you know how to do that. Just fold these into taste, and just round it to taste. And then you can fold these corners in a little bit if you want to round it off even more. There you go. And you can round this part off too. Just fold it into taste. And there it is, the chick head. And yeah, it's a really cool model, and the really cool thing about it is that you just kind of undo that, and then open here, open the mouth, you can feed it stuff, and this one's pretty big, so I can probably feed it my lip balm. Ooh yeah, that's a little too big to fit in there, but yeah, you get the idea though. You can put stuff in there to eat it. You can put mini eggs in there, you know, like those little chocolate eggs. You can certainly put those in there. And yeah, I don't really know what else to say. Oh, it can also be a flicker too. Alright, well, hope you guys enjoyed this model, and make sure you subscribe. And if you like the video, give it a like, and I appreciate any comments down below of what you think about this model. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe so you get notified every time I launch a new video. Alright, see you guys later. My next tutorial will be these origami fireworks right here, and that'll be up by Friday. Alright, stay tuned.